guys, it's KyReviews, and today I'm bringing you this short do, and she is very beautiful. I love how short she is as well. I do love this look on me today. I'm really feeling this short unit, so if you guys are interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. This unit is from Amazon.com, and this one is from the VCK brand. I will leave a link down below to show you guys which unit I'm speaking of, but they have a lot of different options and a lot of different colors, and it's also a human hair unit, so you can definitely do whatever you want to it. Bleach it, dye it, curl it, do whatever you want to do with it. It is a human hair unit. When I initially brought it, I didn't think that it was a human hair unit because I was looking for something short, because every single wig that's out there right now, there are no new styles that are really short and sleek and cute like this one. You know, it's just the Charlies and the Mays and all these things, but there's never like a updated short unit as much as the longer ones. So I'm hoping you guys do something with the synthetic unit soon. But yeah, this one is the human hair unit. It's from Amazon.com, and I have it in the color 1B, and she is a layered unit here. You can definitely style it how you want to. This is straight out of the bag, so you can definitely rock this straight out of the bag. You do have to fit it to your face, however, but if you want to curl it or bump it up even more, you can definitely do that with this unit. She does come with combs at the back and adjustable straps, so you guys can definitely fit it to your head. It fits super comfortable, you guys. I love that about this unit as well. And now that it's cold outside, well, at least here in New York City, you can definitely rock something like this without having any hair on your neck, with all the layers that you have to put on. I can show you guys what the photo looks like right here on my iPad. I hope you guys can see it, but that's what it's looking like in the description. I will definitely put pictures up here if you guys want to see it as well, and I'll leave it in the description box below so you guys can see this unit as well. Let me show you guys the back of this unit. So that's what she's looking like. I'm really feeling her a lot. I'm really loving this unit. 10 out of 10 for me. If you guys want me to try any of the colors, please let me know which ones. I have my eye on a particular color already, so I'll definitely go back and check it out. But you know, it's very cute, it's affordable, and it's also human hair. So if you're in the market for like a short unit, definitely check this one out. She's looking real cute, you guys. I'm feeling her 100%. She's looking all the way cute. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as well as follow me on my Instagram. And that will be all for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.